Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something that's been flooding our screens and news feeds for a while now, artificial intelligence. First, we had the blockchain craze, and now artificial intelligence is the big buzzword. We're surrounded by webinars, presentations, articles, blog posts, YouTube videos, and text messages, all talking about this exciting new tech. Yet, for all this info, there's often very little that's truly useful. But fear not. Today, I'm bringing you 5 solid, concrete examples of what you can do with artificial intelligence right now. No fluff, just real, actionable advice. Let's cut through the noise and get to the good stuff. So, I get it. Maybe when artificial intelligence first hit the scene, the buzz was warranted. But now, it feels like we're drowning in the same recycled information. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education, personalized learning, automating tasks, enhancing research. Yum, right? That's why I'm here to offer something different. Real, practical uses of artificial intelligence that you can implement today. Here are 5 ways I've used artificial intelligence to make my life easier and offer better content to my students. These are things you can try yourself right now. No hyped-up presentations or overpaid consultants. Just real, practical steps you can take, mostly for free. So, let's dive in. Example 1. Transforming lecture captures into podcasts. Most academics are expected to record their lectures. Typically, this is done using lecture capture equipment like Panopto. But let's be honest, the audio quality is often terrible, and the pacing can put anyone to sleep. Artificial intelligence tools can help you clear up the sound to almost studio quality and eliminate redundant noises, gaps, and interruptions. For instance, Adobe Podcast offers free sound enhancement, and you can use Adobe Audition, which isn't free, or Audacity, which is free, to edit your recordings. Imagine your students actually enjoying listening to your lectures on their commutes. Check out the example linked in the description to hear the difference when you clean up your lecture audio. Example 2. Summarizing lecture notes into digestible content. Maybe you don't have recordings of your lectures, but you do have detailed lecture notes. Combing through these to create something students will read is time-consuming. Instead, use artificial intelligence to turn your notes into engaging, narrative-style text. ChatGPT can spruce up your lecture notes, creating summaries or revision texts that can enhance your virtual learning environment. You can do this with the free version by copy-pasting your text or using the subscription version to upload documents and give instructions. The results are quick and impressive. Just be mindful of the 1,000-word limit per response, but breaking it down by sections is easy enough. Example 3. Creating podcast transcripts from lecture notes. Using the same process as in example 2, you can generate transcripts perfect for podcasts. This is a great way to produce new audiovisual content without much hassle. Don't want to record yourself? No problem. Artificial intelligence voices on platforms like Google Cloud can narrate for you. If you want something more personalized, 11 Labs can create an artificial intelligence clone of your voice, so it sounds like you without you having to record a thing. Check the example in the link in the description. My mom couldn't tell it was artificial intelligence. Example 4. Transcribing presentations into publishable texts. Ever have a moment when you gave an amazing conference presentation or lecture? Wouldn't it be great to have a transcript of that performance to share as a blog post or academic paper? Artificial intelligence can transcribe audio into text accurately. I use Google Cloud for this, but there are plenty of tools out there. For instance, if you have a great podcast episode, you can download the transcript from YouTube. If it's published there, feed it into ChatGPT to clean up timestamps and punctuation, and voila! You've got a polished piece ready for publication. Example 5. Editing lecture videos for social media. If you're already producing video content, why not reach students where they are? On social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are where your students hang out, not on your VLE. Use tools like Opus Clip to automatically cut out meaningful bits from your videos, add graphics, subtitles, and visual effects, and post them directly to social media. If you prefer not to pay for a subscription, there are free tools for captioning that can help you produce engaging Instagram posts. Check out this example of how I use captioning tools for my posts. And there you have it, 5 practical ways to use artificial intelligence that will have a real impact on your students and enhance your reach as an educator. No special skills needed, and most tools are free or low cost. If you need help getting started, feel free to reach out. Dr. Yanis is more than happy to chat about these tools. If you're an SQE student, check out the link in the description for an exciting offer on using artificial intelligence tools to your advantage. Found this useful? Share it with friends and colleagues. And if you want to try out 11 Labs, use my affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, and I earn a commission. By the way, this podcast was produced by using the advice in example 3. I fit a blog post I wrote on the subject to ChatGPT and asked it to turn it into a narrative form with informative but informal language. I then used Google's artificial intelligence voice for the narration. Remember, always read the terms and conditions of the tools you use and respect copyright if reusing content. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts and share your artificial intelligence enhanced efforts with the community. Until next time.